Good evening, students. Class 10, we have one more chapter. Today we are going to discuss about life process. As we can understand, what life process, the word itself suggests to you, the process which is related to life. And we know what life is. Actually, it starts with the foundation, the building block of our life, which is cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. A group of similar cells combine to perform a specific function, form tissues. The different types of tissues which perform a similar function are grouped together and form an organ of the body. Different organs grouped together to perform a similar type of function called organ system. Called organ system. Dear students, we will learn about the organ systems like digestive system, circulatory system, excretory systems, and so on. The different organ systems work together and form an organism. An organism is the whole living in which different life processes occur in coordinated manner. Here students, a cell is made up of molecules. The molecules exhibit movements all the time in the body of the living organisms. But the viruses do not show any molecular movement until they infect some living organisms, living cells. Life processes can be defined. The processes essential for sustaining life are called life processes. Some basic life processes related to this include nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, and etc. Nutrition is basically it can be defined as a process by which living organisms procure food for obtaining energy, and body building materials is called nutrition. How can we define food? You know, without food we cannot survive. So, substance containing nutrients which the organisms use as a source of energy and raw materials for the biosynthesis of body constituents of this is called food. Dear students, for you must understand one thing about food and its nutrients. These are very essential things for our life. Dear students, there are mode of nutrition are also needs to be discussed. Basically, the method of deriving nutrients by the organisms from their environment. It is types like autotrophic, heterotrophic. Heterotrophic can also be categorized under saprophytic, parasitic, and holozoic. Autotrophic, in this mode of nutrition, basically organisms prepare their own food from a simple inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, water and minerals, salts in the presence of sunlight. Green plants and some bacteria are autotrophs. Dear students, heterotrophic nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, organisms obtain ready-made food from outside sources. As they cannot prepare their own food, animals including human beings and fungi are heterotrophs. Depending on the availability and mode of obtaining food, heterotrophic nutrition is of saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. We will discuss it later on. Thank you.